Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating comparison between two giants in the search world, Google and ChatGPT. With the recent launch of ChatGPT Search, many are wondering which tool is better for everyday queries. Let's break it down. First up, let's talk about user experience. When you type in a question, how quickly do you want an answer? I tested both Google and ChatGPT, and here's what I found. ChatGPT provides responses almost instantly, delivering an engaging conversational feel. For example, when I asked about the top tourist attractions in Tokyo, ChatGPT not only provided clear answers but also included images in a user-friendly format. Google is also quick, but often presents a cluttered interface filled with links and ads. While it offers a wealth of information, it can feel overwhelming, especially when you just want a straightforward answer. Quality of information. Now let's discuss the quality of information. When I asked about climate change versus global warming, Google gave me a brief overview but required me to sift through multiple links for detailed understanding. In contrast, ChatGPT provided a direct answer with contextual depth and even included clickable sources for further reading. This ability to summarize complex topics makes ChatGPT particularly useful for users needing clear explanations. Advertising and user interface. Let's talk about ads. Google is notorious for its ad-heavy search results, which can distract from the information you're actually looking for. ChatGPT offers an ad-free experience, allowing users to focus solely on the answers without any distractions. This clean interface is refreshing and enhances usability. Real-time updates and information accuracy. Another important factor is real-time updates. Google excels here with its ability to pull in the latest information from various sources. However, with the recent introduction of real-time search capabilities in ChatGPT, it can now provide timely answers that are often just as accurate. For instance, when I asked for Apple's current stock price, ChatGPT delivered the answer instantly, along with recent news updates, something that took me longer to find on Google. Limitations and use cases. Both platforms have their limitations. While ChatGPT offers conversational responses and context-aware interactions, it can sometimes generate inaccurate information due to its reliance on training data. Google remains superior for comprehensive searches with extensive source variety and accuracy due to its advanced algorithms that prioritize authoritative content. So what's the verdict? Both platforms have their strengths and weaknesses. If you want quick, straightforward answers without distractions, ChatGPT might be your best bet. But if you need comprehensive information with the latest updates, Google still reigns supreme. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech insights. Let us know in the comments which platform you prefer and why. See you next time.